Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. I was shopping at Dollar Tree and look what I found. I just had to share these press-on nails and press-on toenails with y'all. Let's get into it. So first off, the blue on these press-on nails is so pretty. It's like a really pretty baby blue matte, and then there's a couple of them that have that iridescent blue look to them, and I was like, OMG, they're long coffin shape. The glue is not included with them, but that's okay. Dollar Tree has nail glue as well. So I came across these really pretty press-on toenails, which the blue in the toenails were the same as the press-on nails. And so I was like, this would be a really cute press-on nail and toenail set. But let me open these nails up so you guys can see what they look like outside of the box. The packaging is very simple. You just open up the box, take that plastic covering off, and boom, there's the nails. Now, a nail file or nail stickers is not included with these nails. It's simply just the press-on nails, and that's fine because we don't use those nail stickies anyway, and I have tons of nail glue, multiple glues to choose from, so that's not a problem. So I just wanted to see how the nails fit over my nail beds, and they're okay. They're not too bad. They have a nice shape to them. They're not flat, they are curved, like my natural nails are very curved, and that thumbnail is fitting my thumb pretty good, so I'm sure the rest of the nails will fit just fine as well. But let's get back into these toenails. So I have never worn press-on toenails, okay? I always just do my gel pedicure myself, but I have been dying to try some press-on toenails. These come with 12 nails, and no, the glue is not included in these toenails either, but look how cute they are. I mean, they're worth a try. They look very square for the big toe. I'm not sure how that's going to work out with my toe, but y'all know I'm definitely going to do a tutorial and show you guys how these toenails fit my toes and how to apply press-on toenails. So the next press-on nail set that I picked out was this really pretty like pearl peachy color. I was really drawn to the color because it's very light and pretty, and I just love the iridescent peachy color nails that came with this set. So let me just open up the box so you guys can see how these look outside the box as well. They are the same brand as the blue ones that I just showed you guys. So yeah, this is how they look. I can definitely see myself adding some pearls onto the peachy color ones, and then maybe some bling on the iridescent ones, and just kind of jazzing them up a little bit more. Maybe even some nail stickers that have cherries on them, because I picked these toenails to go with that set because these toenails are that same peachy color in the background, and then they have cherries on them. Some of them are red, some of them have pink and red stripes, which I thought was really cute. And I was like, these press-on toenails would go perfect with that peachy iridescent set. So we're gonna make that a set as well. Drop a comment and let me know if you guys would like to see a press-on toenail and press-on nail tutorial set together. I've been thinking about doing that, but drop a comment and let me know if y'all are interested in seeing a whole set for a tutorial video. So that is it for this video, you guys. Make sure you stop by your local Dollar Tree and see if y'all can get y'all some of these pretty press-on nails and toenails. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace!